Hi there, it's Pascal, and in this video I'm going to be answering a question I've been getting lately, including even in my webinars. Students do ask me, what advice can I give someone who is looking to start a business online? If I have like a brother who is looking to start, what advice will I give them? What's the best way I will guide them to start? Now, a little disclaimer here. Because I'm saying this, that does not mean you're not going to have any hiccups on the way or any challenges. It's just your ability to overcome these challenges that will make the difference in everybody's opinion. But what I want you to understand is online business is very simple. You will complicate it. It's if you're doing affiliate marketing, I'm going to speak specifically on affiliate marketing because that's one of the ones I do. But it's very simple, but you will complicate it. Now, let me give you what I mean. Let me elaborate on that. If you know, maybe any company, let's say McDonald's, because online business is data. You just need to understand a few things and you're on your way. So let's take a look at McDonald's. It's not an online business, but everybody knows it's a food company. Now, they have franchises everywhere. Before they open a location, they have statistics they work with. They know if they open in this area, they will have this like 10,000 people coming to this branch every single month, will generate this sort of revenue. They don't know what they're going to eat, but they will gauge, and if they open in this location, this number of people will be, if they can get this number of people walking in this particular branch, they'll be able to predict how much revenue they will get. That's a similar thing with online business. Take a look, for example, cars, like Mercedes. Any car company, it doesn't matter, but let's get specific with Mercedes. Every year they produce new cars. Who tells them the number of cars they need to manufacture, the number of engines they need to manufacture and all that? It's from past statistics, human behavior. The people that bought this car, the people that are likely to change their car, how many cars will have accidents, how many people are coming into Mercedes, new customers. They have all this data, they work this, they feed all this information into the system that gives them the number of cars they produce. Maybe if it's A class, they have maybe 1,000 units. Then if it's M class, the higher spec, they reduce it like 500 based on number. These are statistics. So I learned this in online marketing. Online marketing is the same thing. I have a website, it's selling nappies for children. If I send 100 people to this, they see that picture. You know, it's only picture you see, you don't see people there. So maybe sometimes video, but if in case of Amazon, they see this picture. If I send 100 people here, if I pay Google X amount of money, let's say $5 or £5, if I send 100 people to this picture, because that's what it is, or text, you know, the copywriting, I'm just giving you what it is. You read those texts there, you look at the picture. If I send 100 people here, 20 will buy. Then you go and get more money and send another 100 people. You will notice maybe 18 will buy. Then you get another, tell Google, send me more traffic, take another £5, send me another 100 people, 22 people will buy. So you will notice that it will vary around the same average. I learned this in law of averages. If you've listened to Jim Rohn, building your network marketing business, if you're into network marketing, you will notice they say if you do something often enough, a ratio will appear. This is classical information. If you do something often enough, a ratio will appear. If you talk to 10 people, one say yes. If you talk to another 10, chances are you get another one. But you can improve. It's the same thing. This is online business. So now for you now watching this or looking at to start, the problem you will be having is when is my money? When am I going to make sale? What I'm saying to you, don't worry about that. Just know that this data is here waiting for you to come and pounce on it. But before you can sell anything online, you will need websites, you will need training, you will need domain names, you will need autoresponder, you will need a few bunch of software to make it. You will need it doesn't matter what you need, but whatever you need, get that done before you start talking about money. So once you can get your head around this one done, how much you do does it work? You don't have money, go and borrow. Do whatever it takes as if your life depends on it. because you have faith that it will work. Because it is work for Mr. A is working for Mr. B. Why would it work for you? Why are you any different? It's something you have to understand, unless now you have another issue personally. But if it worked for A, it worked for B, then it should work for you. It's very simple. Online business is very simple. You can predict the outcome, but sometimes it doesn't really, you can't really get the target. Maybe you might go over, maybe you might come short. So it depends. But that is online business. It's very simple. If you're looking to start today, just know it's very simple, but you will complicate it by asking, what type of product would I sell? You've not gone through the training. You're thinking about the product to sell. As you're going through the training, you will understand what products convert at this rate, what ones convert at. Then you now look at your status or your situation, and then you make decisions based on that. Then, or not your situation, you look at the situation, your goal that you want to achieve, which one will get you faster there. Then you make decisions based on that and go down that path. Then anything else that does not align to that goal, that is not going to get you to that goal, delete. Do not waste time on it. It's that simple. But you, even after hearing this, we are still complicated, because we hear it, we still don't hear it. I've been a victim of it. I can't blame you if you're not understanding it, but I have been a victim of it, so don't worry. But all I say is, by constant repetition and practice, you will get there. You will get there. That's all I say to you at this moment. So these are some of the questions. I hope I'm answering them well. These are my perspective. If anyone has got their own perspective, that's fine. But I believe it's very simple to do. And if you like what you're hearing, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And if you're looking to join my webinar, the books I recommend, that I read, that helps me in my mindset to prepare myself for the day, how I start my day, I'll put all the links at the description. You check it out. Apart from that, it's another video from Pascal. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.